Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Finally our nice microwave gave it up.
Hey, nice on more, it's rusted.
Yeah, it is rusted. Paint is peeling off. Ugh. Yeah. So, I'm about to throw this bad boy out. It did its job. It did. Well, time to go do some microwave hopping or shopping. Alright.
So we now at Target in Sawgrass Mill Mall. What are we going to Target? We're going to check out their microwave selection, but I actually want to go check out the diaper area. Our nephew is coming up. His baby shower is coming up. Not quickly around the corner, but pretty soon. And I just want to get his stuff ahead of time so that we don't have to worry about it at the last minute. So I want to check that out over here. I think I need to check out I think it's the floor in here. I need to see if they have some concealer because I need some concealer because we're getting ready for I don't wear makeup, but
Okay.
I need something for our niece's wedding to be a little bit more wedding look, I guess you could say. And I want to see if they have a candle. Gotta get Hubby to buy me a candle.
Right.
I want to look at the dollar shop. It's not really a dollar shop, but you know what I'm saying. Want to get a card, please?
Yeah. Yeah.
That smells so good. It's $18. For one candle. That's a lot. I got a small one, but it's not gonna last long. That's so good.
They broke it.
Smells good. It smells good for cedar. Normally cedar don't smell that great. That smells so good. I smell most of the people scent. Let me think about it because that's a lot to smell on a candle.
Yeah, she got it.
Absolutely gorgeous. Black History Month.
Bam booty. Bam bam boo. $10 though.
Today all digital.
Yeah.
This says clearance. But that's cheaper than that one. Try, I don't trust that after rebate. Oh, it said after rebate, look. So how much is it before rebate? 139 or 1. So I'm gonna have to pay 139 or 1 today. But that's already ended. February 17th. Oh, this not bad. This nice. 1.6 cubic feet countertop microwave oven. Sensor cooking, steam clean. Oh, they have a steam clean on here? No, it don't. It says sensor cooking. Then it says steam clean. What's steam clean? I don't see a steam clean. And then it says wait and time defrost. This is the same brand we had, ain't it?
Yeah.
I like that price.
Yeah, me too.
And I like the size.
Yeah, I like the size
The
too.
size we just had, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we need to get a bigger one.
Look at my little rotary. That is small.
Yeah, that's so little. That looks like ours, bro.
Yeah.
No, that's the brand that we just got rid of. And Walty? Was it his brand?
It's premium. It said premium on there.
Oh. I like the handle on this. This is cute. Snatch me open. Oh! Oh, this would be so cute for the baby. You think he's gonna have this? You think he's gonna get this? This is so cute. He's already in plastic. Look.
$24.99.
Keep him in plastic.
All right, get him.
You wanna get him?
Just give him to him as a surprise.
He's so cute. Just put up here with me. This is the one I was just looking at.
And that's the one. That's the box we need.
Hey babe, what about this one? I like the handle. I know that's a stupid reason to get a microwave, but it's cute.
Yeah, good size. But
What?
it's only 900 watts. The other one was 12.
It is?
Yeah, up top. You see how's this? You see where the door open? Not that one. The one that he's on.
Oh no, no. Oh no, yeah, it is that one that he's on. Which is right here.
See? Oh, it's
1150.
Yeah. That's a lot more cooking.
And it's 1.6 cubic feet. It's a little bigger than that one.
Way bigger.
Even though it looked bigger, this one looked bigger. It's so crazy.
I think it looked bigger, but it's small.
Oh, I get you. But I like the simple buttons on it. Baked potato, popcorn, pizza. Like we're going to be using that, but still. Beverage, frozen dinner, reheat.
True.
Like it's a simple like setup for especially for like the kids and for us. I don't know about that. Cook by weight. What? Child, put away.
I guess when you put the weight on there, in terms of what the chicken is.
But the other one's a better deal because it's $100.
Yeah, and it's right there.
99.
So I'm gonna just grab it.
Okay. Nice spots. Nice spots.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the bottom one. This one's a little.
That's a big joker.
Yes.
Upgrade. Pooh Bear, what up, Pooh? You guys, Pooh Bear is not for us. This is gonna go to our nephew. The baby shower theme for the baby is Pooh Bear. His room decor, everything is Pooh Bear. They probably already have a Pooh Bear. Maybe.
Let's see.
If not, if they don't, he's gonna be the perfect gift. If not, if he did, they already have it. He's gonna be a twin. Twin. You guys, I did not want to come to Brand Smart for our microwave. You know why? Because last time, the one we just got rid of, because they gave up, that was on rebate. And why did I never got my rebate?
Never.
So luckily this one don't have a rebate, so I don't have to deal with that. But it seems like Brand Smart is a store to come.